Most engineering managers lose their best people not because of bad strategy, not because of bad code, not because of bad processes, because of one feedback mistake they make every single day, and most of them don't even know they are making it. Today I will show you exactly what it is and the system I built after getting it wrong for many years in order to fix it. I was a marketing director at one of the world's largest multinationals. I had a young marketer on my team, brilliant, hungry, convinced she knew everything. She knew nothing. In one-to-one, I could have crushed her. Instead, I said something nobody had ever told her. There is no reason to compare yourself to me. We are not comparable. You are not supposed to know what I know yet. You are supposed to learn. She went quiet, and then something shifted. From that day, she gave the best. She gave her best version of herself every single day. When the next MD came in and asked her who her best manager had been, she said my name. Not because I pushed her the hardest, because I gave her permission to not know yet. Here's what most engineering managers do instead. They compare. When I was at your level, someone with your experience should, I don't understand why this is still a problem, and here's what happens. The engineer stops asking questions, stops taking risks, stops being honest with you, and then updates the CV. Sound familiar? So here's the system. 3 steps. Let's go. Step 1. Normalize not knowing. When someone is new, they don't know. That's not a bug. That's the future. Your job is not to make them feel bad about it. Your job is to make them feel safe enough to learn. It's completely normal not to know this yet. Here's how you learn it. That's it. Engineers love clear problems with clear solutions. Give them that, not ambiguity and judgment. Ask yourself, when did you last tell someone it was okay not to know yet? Step 2. Remove the comparison. Completely. Every time you compare a junior engineer to yourself, you are setting them up to fail. They are not you. They are not your senior engineer managers. They are not. They are exactly where they're supposed to be. Show them the path forward. Don't remind them how far behind they are. The engineer who feels safe asks more questions, takes more risks, brings you problems before they become disasters. The engineer who feels judged goes quiet, then goes to LinkedIn. Ask yourself, are you showing the path or reminding them of the distance? Step 3. Give them permission to grow at their own pace. Here's what nobody told you about sitting in the manager's chair for the first time. You felt like a fraud too. You remember what it felt like to not know, to feel like everyone else had a manual you never received. Your engineer is feeling exactly that right now, and the feedback you give them in those early one-to-ones will either confirm their worst fear, I'm not good enough for this, or give them the one thing they actually need. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. Now let's get you where you wanna go. That's not soft leadership. That's the most strategic thing you can do as a manager. So the next time you sit across from a junior engineer, before you tell them what's wrong, ask yourself, am I giving feedback or am I making them feel like a fraud? Because there is a difference and your team feels it every single time. Wanna go deeper on feedback? I broke down the 3-part feedback framework that changed how I lead people. Link in the description. Watch that next. So here's my question for you. When you became a manager for the first time, what's the one thing you wish someone had told you? I read every single comment. Subscribe. Every week I share what nobody told you about managing engineers. See you next week. Bye.